My dear students, now I am explaining you the critical points of the fourth, fifth and sixth stanza. You should listen to it very carefully. The fourth stanza starts with if, when, more, cres. Here the poet is telling, walking in your yard means in your yard or in the garden. Somebody comes all of a sudden and hugs you tightly. He just hug you tightly, very tightly, and you are unable to break away from his hug. It's a bear. When we give somebody a very warm hug, it is also called the bear hug. Bear hugs a man to kill him, and you will not recognize him when he will hug you so tightly that you will be embraced to death. Means it will be hugging you so tightly that you will be gone, you will be dead. That's the hug is the point of a bear. Second, though to distinguish crocodiles, very important stanza. In this stanza, the poet is helping the human beings to differentiate between the different animals. Here he is telling the difference between a hyena and a crocodile. Hyena generally makes a noise like this, and hyena's teeth are the most sharpest teeth on this earth. A pack of hyenas can even kill the lion. When hyenas are consuming its prey, when hyena is killing somebody or consuming its prey, they generally make a laughing sound, and their laughing sound is similar that to humans. Whereas in the case of crocodiles, when the crocodile is consuming its prey, he generally shed tears. So this is the basic difference between the hyenas and the crocodiles, and the poet is telling, don't wait for hyena's laughter or the crocodile tears, because they both will kill you. The final stanza, the true chameleon you see. Chameleon generally is the master of camouflage, means they change their skin color according to the circumstances or the weather. The poet here is telling that the chameleon is a small garden kind of an animal. They have no ears. Okay, they have no ears or wings. And if you notice nothing on a tree, that nobody is sitting on a tree, there are high chances that a chameleon is sitting on a tree, because chameleon can change its colors according to its surroundings or according to the plant. Because why chameleons do this? Because it helps them to save themselves from the hunters. So in the first stanza, big Asian lion who is roaring with tawdy color, that is Asian lion in the first stanza. In the second stanza, majestic, great looking animal with the black stripes on his yellow tan, and he will kill you. Then he is Bengal tiger. In the third stanza, the very great stanza, in the third stanza, what happens? That if you are traveling forth and you witness a beast with the spots on his skin, and he's jumping over and over on you, trying to consume you and tear you apart, then he is a leopard. This is the third stanza. In the fourth stanza, I have already mentioned, bear hug is the hug of a bear. He will hug you till death. Fifth, very important stanza, the difference between the crocodile or the hyena. Crocodile will shed tears while consuming their prey, and hyena will laugh while eating their prey. In the sixth stanza, the chameleon, he will change colors or his skin color by camouflage. The word uses camouflage according to the situation or the surrounding. This is the 6 stanzas which I have discussed, and you can note down the critical points. These are the critical points which I have mentioned. If you have any doubt, any question, you can let me know. These are the main critical points. You can have the snap, you can note it down. So this is the about the chapter. Thank you very much.